In this video, we're going to walk through how to increase your reach on Constant Contact. So instead of sending the same email to everyone, try dividing your subscribers into groups based on interest, demographics, or past purchases. This way, you can then tailor your messages to each group, making them more relevant and engaging. And you can also consider making your content more compelling by making sure your subject lines are catchy, and this also works well when your emails are also informative and visually appealing. And also, don't forget to include a strong call to action. So simply telling your readers exactly what you want them to do, whether it's buying a product, signing up for a newsletter, or attending a webinar. This can also boost your engagement metrics. So you can also try out testing and analyzing. So A/B testing is your best friend here. So try experimenting with different subject lines, content, and send times to see what works best. And keep track of your email metrics like open rates and click-through rates to learn what resonates with your audience. And if you'd like to build strong relationships with your audience, you can also personalize your emails, send them regularly, and offer exclusive deals or valuable content. So this will help you build trust and loyalty with your subscribers. And that's it. So that's all we had for this one. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.